It's been really interesting to see the progress of trying to bring trail running live to everyone out there on social media, YouTube and Facebook. Today we're using LiveU. They produce a pretty incredible piece of technology which allows the guys out there today to be able to run on the trail with a camera and be able to feed that film back to us. And those LiveU units, they're something that could change the sport for the better, you know, bringing it to more people and hopefully encouraging more people to get out there on the trails.